Welcome everyone to our next SAP FICO configuration tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will define tolerance groups for employees. So let's go here. Go to transaction code SIMG, then press enter. Then go to financial accounting here. Then financial accounting global settings. Then go to document. Then go to tolerance groups here and click on define tolerance groups for employees here. Take a reference for 0001 company code and click on copy as here. Change your company code. Mine is 7075 and leave all the details as it is. Press enter and click on save. So by this way you can create a tolerance groups for employee in SAP. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.